Good evening, everyone. This is Mohan Agarwal from BGD Ventures, and I'm representing Hoven Technologies today. Thanks for the speakers today for sharing new technologies and solutions for the telematics industry. Video has been a booming and interesting part in the telematics. With several years of deployment, Hoven Technologies has been a pioneer in this area today, as we are excited to share our smarter and better of AI telematics. Our speech today will be covering two parts. One is our latest products and associated video telematics cooperation with Vylon. The second is our latest practice with Vylon partners using those solutions. First, let me introduce our company. With more than 10 years of expertise in video telematics, Hoven Technologies has become the fastest growing supplier in this industry. Headquartered in China Silicon Valley, Hoven is the national high-tech enterprise, focusing on video products like mobile dashcam, mobile data terminal, vehicle service system, and especially artificial intelligence technology. Hoven products are already being used in more than 100 countries with over 350,000 devices deployed around the world. Our product users include Dubai Taxi in UAE with over 12,000 devices, DHL in Latin America and Middle East, Total and Cell in Southeast Asia and Africa, and so on. Hoven is focusing on several major industries, including logistics, oil and gas, police vehicles, public transportation, limousine, school buses, and more. What we provide? We provide end-to-end vehicle service system. Our main products include AI mobile DVR, dashcam, AI box, and AI mobile data terminals. With our different sensors, fuel sensors, push torques, and anti-explosive cameras. Our transmission through Wi-Fi and 4G for remote reported to the platform. The FMS platforms like Vylon and VSS, which is proprietary server software of Hoven. Based on the general features of video tracking reports, evidences, and most importantly, AI features, including driver monitoring system, advanced driver assistance systems, blind spot detection, and face recognition. The whole system can provide very rich application for different type of industries. Hoven is open for integration with wonderful platforms like Vylon and is open for customization and integration of algorithm into mobile DVR and dashcams. Here we would like to share our observation about our AI video telematics industry in the world, how this industry is going to develop globally. We summarize in 3 points. The first one is intelligent, As we all know, more and more customers are no longer satisfied with our traditional video surveillance, and they want to have smarter way to resolve the existing problem. The second one, we can say the customer demands are becoming more and more diversified. Even one system integrator is facing different levels of customer requirements. Some end user needs AI, but some other may just need tracking and surveillance. But still, we have the flexibility to upgrade in future. Thirdly, the customer would want to keep pace with the latest technology, but with even lower investments, including hardware and the operational cost. As you may know, starting from 2016, Hoven has been one of the earliest video device suppliers who integrated with Vylon platform. With several years of cooperation and R&D, Hoven products and solutions have developed to next level and are being used by many partners around the world. Today we are releasing 4 different types of AI solutions with Vylon. The first solution is AI MDVR. The first one is AI MDVR. sorry. The system can achieve with very rich functions based on one unit. The vehicle can report the AI and its alarm video of fatigue detection, smoke collision warning, lane departure, and face recognition. The platform can support as many as 8 cameras for normal video surveillance. And the second solution is what we can call it AI box solution. Many customers are already using GPS trackers like Alimatics, Nav Telecom, Teltonika, or mobile DVR devices, but the customers want to upgrade to AI. Then the AI box will be perfect solution as it is small AI terminal with the same chipsets and algorithm as mobile DVR and can upgrade the current trackers or mobile DVR with the minimum cost. In the third solution, in some scenarios, the customers may require dispatch solutions so that the AI MDVR will be the suitable one. With a touch screen, the driver can interactively communicate with the server to achieve the fleet dispatch functionalities, and the AI built-in MDT includes face recognition, passenger counting, lost and found detection, which can be very useful in taxis and public bus operations. The project we want to share today is how we help the Voilon users implement the AI system in Southeast Asia. This client owns thousands of taxis and utility trucks in the city. And they want to have a smarter way to regulate the drivers using driving behavior. Previously, the customer has been both Voilon user and Hoven MDVR user. And later on, Hoven provided thousands of AI MDVR devices to upgrade the whole fleet. With the AI features and the video surveillance, the system helped the fleet greatly improve driver behavior and save from potential cost of traffic accidents. Very importantly, Hoven MDVR have already been integrated with Voilon before, and the AI feature can get online with Voilon platform without any additional cost. Development work, the AI alarm notification and video clips of evidence can be easily uploaded to Voilon. So the customers will only need one web application to manage all the devices, including traditional mobile DVR and also the AI MDVR. This project has set up a very successful example in local country and will attract more and more business in the coming future. To conclude my speech today with a smarter and better video telematics solution, Hoven is aiming to achieve 3-party winnership with Gautam and the partners around the world. Thank you, and we believe our solutions will bring more and more success to all of you.
Thank you. Any questions? Question? Thank you. Thank you very much, Mohan. Thank you.